Guns actually damaged her beyond repair, and guns are the cause. Guns kill people. Not people kill people, guns. I am a marcher of generations. I have been doing this march for so long, and I'm not giving up.
Democrats, Republicans are all the same. Get rid of them. Our children are not safe. This is ridiculous. They all quarrel over the stupidest thing. Get rid of them. It is no longer safe in the schools.
I am very encouraged to see that these young people understand what it means to be politically motivated, politically active, and to make change in this world, because certainly my generation failed to do that.
I'm tired of doing drills with my students, hiding behind closet doors and rushing them outside and being afraid. I won't carry a gun. I mean, just in the past 2 weeks or so, since this has become, more of a debate, I think 2 teachers accidentally shot kids, so I don't see how that's going to solve anything.
We don't want to just be safe, feel safe at school. We also want to feel safe from guns everywhere, and we want to help with that.
We're going to be the future of all this. We're going to be in government. One of us is going to be president one day. So you see kids caring, and I think that's really important, and for us to get involved.
I'm here to let the kids know we've got their backs, and have been just touched by how many kids and young people are out here today.
I mean, I'm looking around and seeing these beautiful people. This is our future. The kids are our future. And if we don't stand up to protect them, nobody will.
I served for 24 years in the military to help preserve freedom for the next generation. It's time for these kids to preserve freedom for the generation following.
Somehow able to get their hands on weapons and just roam into schools, and it's just unsafe and it needs to stop.